Hey guys, we received this FEISEDY Youth Polarized Baseball Sunglasses for test and try. Can be used for both boys and girls. UV400 sports shades, lightweight frame. So it's a model B0220, comes in a nice box, and this is really great, like to have this case. So it's a 3D logo on the top and a really nice case with the carabiner and a zipper. So let me just open up. So this is the sunglasses and the other accessories and kit. So let me just show it to you. So let me just take out all from the packing. So this is basically a nice like cushioned string with a several layer protection, blockout glasses, and a UV400 with a really lightweight and nice frame design. So this is like an unbreakable frame, as you can see, and it's a polarized thing. So you can see the polarized from the glasses. As the images you cannot see, but you can see through the glasses. So there are the polarized glasses, one piece nose path, metal hinges, and anti-slip rubber temple. So this also is there for your to the neck and then extra grips for the nose and things. So basically a very nice pair and a nice set. Also comes with additional accessories. So this have also have this soft case. So you can just put in your glasses in this soft case. So total frame width is around 120 mm and the nose bridge is around 17 mm. So this is the microfiber cloth that also comes with it that you can use. So help in cleaning and keeping your things safe. But it's a very nice weight and the lightweight sunglasses, and you can see it fits really well and comfortable and looks good.